Good morning. We are in Georgia, back in Georgia for another job, putting up a 12x36 carport. It's gonna go right here. Not a whole lot to say at this point, so we're just gonna get after it. Okay, job site rundown. That's cut station. That's where Lindsay's gonna be doing all the cutting. Material. The pad where the 12x36 is gonna go. The hired help. I can't, this is really hard. How do you do this right there? Anywho. Yeah. Right, poster in, all 8 of them. Now there's 8 of them. Malachi and I just got the scaffolding together. He's sitting up there like a turd. Waiting to be told what to do next. And next is getting the beams on. So let's get after it. Lunchtime, coming along with the structure, getting some beams up. It's a little afternoon, so it's time for some food because the tumbly is rumbly. Hi, guys. Hi. Malachi.
What?
Hi, guys.
Hello, Father. All right, ladies and gents, we got beams and we got headers up all the way down. Pretty. So next up, we're gonna put fascia boards on. That goes on the outside here. And then the rafters connect to those. So we'll definitely get the fascia up today. And then possibly some ridge beam supports cut. I don't know. We got about 2 hours left in today, so we'll just keep rocking and rolling and see what happens.
Good morning. We are here for day number 2 at the Georgia job site. It's looking pretty so far. So today we're gonna finish making the ridge beam supports. We're gonna get the ridge beam up. Then we're gonna start throwing rafters up there. Then we're gonna get some OSB sheathing and get some shingles on this sucker today. So a lot of work ahead of us. Let's get to it. Yo, everybody, check this out. This is our highly specialized technical get holes in the perfect spot every single time. And Malachi is going to demonstrate how to use it. I mean, look at that. Yeah. It doesn't get better than that, guys. Perfection. All right, so we just got done doing all the post supports, which are all these guys right here. There's 20 of them all the way around. And it really just makes these things look so good when you get them on there. It's like, anywho, next up is rafters up on the top, and then we can start getting a roof on this sucker. Teaching the boy how to drop some sheathing down. Give it a minute. A little more. There he is. Hi, boy.
Hello. Thanks, I'll be over here.
Okay, I'm coming. I had to capture this moment. Okay, so we have wrapped up day number 2, which is good. We got OSB sheathing up. Let me take you underneath here and show you. OSB all the way, which is great. So, I thought that was a leak at first, but that's all the black marks from the manufacturing. So tomorrow we'll come, we'll get shingles on, we'll put siding on the front and on the back sides. And then I'm hoping tomorrow we wrap this thing up on day number 3. So we'll see though, because it's supposed to be raining all day tomorrow. That'll be fun. Day 3, and as promised, it's raining. It's been raining all night, so everything is soaked, which means so's the roof. That's gonna be slippery and sketchy, but we're gonna figure it out, and we're gonna get her done. Shingles today, that is. I have come up to the roof. I have not been videoing a lot today because we've got a lot to get done, and it's our final day on the job. But I needed to come up here and show Malachi how to do the ridge cap. But I want you to see this kid's first roof. Look at this kid's first roof. I showed him the first two rows, and then he just went to town. I'm impressed. I think I'm gonna hire him full time. All right, guys. That is a wrap on this 12x36 structure that we did day number 4 in this monsoon. But hey, check this thing out. It looks good in here. Now the customer is going to put plywood on these walls eventually. They didn't want to do it right now. Also up on the ceiling, we just got straight OSB sheathing up there, visible. Normally we put a 1x6 decking up there so that it has a nice aesthetic ceiling to look at, but they opted just for the OSB sheathing, so that's what we did. But hey, look at this thing, it's gorgeous. All right, so that wraps up our 12x36 here in Georgia. On the next one, follow along, give us a like and a follow, all that stuff, subscribe even. Thanks for watching.